Alright, so I went to my local brick and mortar store and I ended up buying this fire pit here. But before I bought it, I want to make sure that my cover was going to be covering it completely. And if you guys can see, it's 31 inches. The cover is about 36 inches, so it was perfect. It's perfect rounded. It can even work with the square ones. I even tried a square one too. So here's the cover. It's completely covered the entire fire pit and it has clips at the end. This is all weatherproof, right? So if you're in a region that snows, rain, and a lot of sun, this is perfect. It's going to give you perfect protection for the elements. If you have a square or round, this thing's good enough. As long as you have it under the 36 inches. Interior, it's like more like aluminum in there in case some ambers are still running or it's a little hot. It'll protect it from it. Now, this is perfect for all elements. As you can see, we also tried a square one, and this is a long one, right? It's across, it's about 43, but across
44
for me it was
inches.
about exactly 36, so it still fit and it still had enough slack. So even if it says 36, it was a little bit perfect. I mean, it fit it. I was either gonna buy the round one or the square one, but look at this, it fit in a perfect condition. I was ready to take the square one too, but I like the rounded one because it had better handles on the side too. So you guys can see, you can't even notice because it's a perfect circle. It looks like it's a square actually. So very simple, easy to use.